Hello everyone. Here we are with the last video of chapter number 2 dealing with some questions of exercise 2.5. Okay, some last questions of 2.5. Okay, exercise 2.5. See, till question number 7 we have done in all the previous videos which I have sent. This is the last video in which we will study from question number 8 to question number 16. Okay, and as we know, and I have told you before, that this exercise 2.5 whole exercise we have to solve using the identities. 8 identities we have, so using that only we have to solve. See, question number 8, factorize each of the following. Question number 8 is factorize each of the following, and here is the second bit, question second bit, and the expression is 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Okay, see, here expression is having 4 terms, and variables of this 4 terms are similar to the expansion of algebraic expression x minus y cube, x minus y whole cube. And see, what is the identity? Identity x minus y whole cube is x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. See, in this expansion, x in terms with x cube, y cube and x square y and xy square are similar with the terms of this expression. Like first term is a cube. Here we have x cube, second term is minus b cube, and here we have second term minus y cube. Okay, so using this identity only we will factorize this expression. See, we have this expression 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Okay, here see, first term is 8a cube. For 8a cube will be equal to x cube, so we have to get the value of x first. Okay, see, if x cube is equals to 8a cube, then x will be equals to 2a, means cube root of x cube is x, and cube root of 8a cube will be 2a. Cube root of 8 is 2. Why? Because 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, and a to the power cube is a cube. Okay, so in place of x we will have here x is equals to 2a. Now see, y cube is equals to b cube. So y is equals to b. Okay, y is b. Now see, we can expand this expression, this algebraic expression as, see, it is 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b minus 6ab square. Okay, so 8a cube is cube of 2a. So 2a whole cube minus b cube is cube of b whole cube minus, see, we can split this third term as 12a square b as 12 is product of 3 into 2 square. See, here we should have 3x square b. So 3 into x square. X is what? 2a. So 2a whole square into y. Y is b. Now next term, last term must be 3 into x into y square. X is 2a and y square is b square. Okay, so this expansion is of 2a minus b whole cube. Okay, so write this as 2a minus b whole cube. Now 2a minus b whole cube is what? It is 2a minus b into 2a minus b into 2a minus b. Okay, multiplying 2a minus b by itself 3 times. So 2a minus b, 2a minus b and 2a minus b are the factors of this algebraic expression, this given algebraic expression. Understood? Similarly, we have fourth bit here. Okay, means we have 5 bit in this question, but I am explaining only 2 bits, second and fourth. See, fourth one, 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. Here again we have a cube, b cube, a square b, ab square. So again we will factorize this expression using the identity x minus y whole cube, which is equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y minus 3xy square. Okay, now for this expression, in place of x cube, what we have? X cube is equals to 64a cube. Now see, we have to find its cube root. We have to find cube root of 64a cube. So 64 is cube of 4. Okay, so cube root of 64 is 4 and cube root of a cube is a. So x, for this expression, x is what? 4a. Okay, similarly y cube, in place of y cube, in this given expression, in place of y cube, what we have? 27b square. So y cube is equals to 27b cube. Y cube is 27b cube. So we need to get the value of y for this expression, we need to find cube root of 27b cube. Cube root of 27 is 3. Y, 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. Okay, and cube root of b cube is b. So y is 3b. Now see, we can split this algebraic expression, given algebraic expression, as 64a cube is 4a whole cube, 27b cube is 3b whole cube, and 144a square b. 144a square b. Obviously, identity is what? 3x square y, no? So 3 into, in place of x, what we have? 4a square. So 3 into 4a square. 4 square is 16. So 3 into 16 into 3 is 144. Okay. 3 into 4a square into 3b. 3b is what? In place of y, we are writing 3b here. Okay. See, next term. Next term is 3 into x into y cube. So 3 into 4a into 3b square. Understood? Now, this was the splitting of this expression, which will give us 4a. This is the expansion of 4a minus 3b whole cube. 4a minus 3b whole cube is what? 4a cube minus 3b cube minus 3 into x, 4a square into 3b plus 3 into 4a into 3b square. Okay, so 4a minus 3b cube is the factor of this expression, and cube means 4a minus 3b multiplying by itself 3 times. So 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b are the 3 factors of this given expression. Understood? Now see, next question. Next question is question number 9. Verify. We have 2 questions here. So I have taken second bit. First bit you solve by your own self. See, second bit is x cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, we have to reduce. Suppose this is LHS of the equation, this is RHS of the equation. Okay, RHS of the equation is x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, if we reduce RHS equal to LHS, then this equation will be verified. Okay, see what we have in RHS: xy multiply x square plus xy into y square. We will solve it by distributive multiplication. How distributive multiplication? This x will be multiplied over all the terms of this factor, then y will be multiplied over all the terms of this factor. How? See, x multiply x square is x cube, x multiply xy is x square, y, x multiply y square is plus xy square. Now multiplying minus y with all these 3 terms. Minus y multiplied by x square. So minus x square y. Then minus y multiplied by xy. So minus xy square. We will have y multiplied by x into y. So minus xy square we will have. Now minus y multiplied by y square is minus y cube. One is negative, one is positive. So product will be negative. Minus y cube. Now see here all the terms what we have: x cube plus x square y plus xy square minus x square y. plus x square y and minus x square y are like terms, so this will be cancelled out, and plus xy square and minus xy square are like terms with opposite sign, negative, one is positive, one is negative, so they will be cancelled out. So remaining is x cube minus y cube. Now RHS, this RHS we have reduced to equal to LHS. X cube minus y cube is what? LHS. So this is verified. Now with one more method we can solve it, okay, using the identity. See what we have. We have identity x minus y whole cube is equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy in bracket x minus y. Okay, yes or no? Now if we transpose this term, this is separate term. Here we have three terms. No, the first term is this, second term is this, and third term is this. Third term is what? Minus 3xy multiplied by x minus y in bracket. Okay, if we transpose this whole term to this side, means LHS, so what we will have? We will have x cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y whole cube, and this is negative here, no, so it will become positive. So plus 3xy multiplied by x minus y. Okay, now see here, this is separate term and this whole is separate term. Plus 3xy in bracket x minus y is a separate term, and we can see clearly that x minus y cube means x minus y multiply x minus y multiply x minus y we have here. So x minus y here we have in the first term also, and x minus y we have here in the second term also. So x minus y will be taken out as a common factor out of these two terms. Okay, so x minus y we are taking out from these term and these term. So what will be remaining? It is cube, no, it will become square because one we are taking out, one x minus y we are taking out. So x minus y square plus, now from here we have taken out x minus y, so remaining is 3xy plus 3xy. Okay, so x minus y in bracket x minus y whole square plus 3xy we have here. Now we know the second identity, which is x minus y whole square, and its expression is in next step we'll write x minus y as it is, and here we'll expand this x minus y whole square, so this is x square plus y square minus 2xy plus 3xy. This is the expansion of this identity x minus y square. So here what we have, x square plus y square minus 2xy and plus 3xy. Minus 2xy and plus 3xy are like terms, so and one is negative, one is positive, so it will be subtracted and remaining will be xy. So after that we have xy in bracket x square plus y square plus xy. Okay, so what we got again, x cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square, hence verified. Okay, now see the next question. Next question is factorize. Question number 10, factorize, and we are taking here first bit, 2 bits again we have here, so we are taking first bit here to understand. 27y cube plus 125 z cube. Okay, this identity we will factorize these type of question using the identity which is given in question number 9. See, second bit of question number 9 is x cube minus y cube is equals to, these are the two factors, x cube minus y cube, factors of x cube minus y cube are these two. Okay, similarly factors of x cube plus y cube are x plus y multiply x square minus xy plus y square, isn't it? This is in the first bit of question number 9. This identity is in the first bit of question number 9. You will see in your book. Okay, so you can clearly see that 27y cube plus 125z cube can be written as 27 is cube of 3 and y cube is cube of y. So 27y cube can be written as 3y whole cube. Okay, and 125z cube is cube of 5z cube whole cube. Okay, because 125 cube is cube of 5 and z cube is cube of z. Understood? So for this expression value of x is 3y and value of y is value of y is 5z, isn't it? And we know the identity x cube minus y cube is equals to x plus 5, multiplying x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, now this is x cube, this is y cube, so x cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, x cube is 3y whole cube, y cube is 5z whole cube is equals to 3y plus 5z as x plus y. Then x square is 3y whole square minus xy is 3y into 5z plus y square. In place of y square, 5z whole square. Okay, so this is 3x plus 5z and its square will be 9y square minus 15yz plus 25z square, because square of 5 is 25. Okay, and square of 3 is 9. So the factors are factors of 27y square plus 27y cube plus 125z cube are 3y plus 5z multiplied by 9y square minus 15yz plus 25z square. Okay, now see the next question. Next question is factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. We have studied 8 identities overall before starting this exercise, and 8th identity is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to x plus y plus z in bracket x square plus y square plus z plus minus xy plus minus yz minus zx. Okay, this is the identity. This one is the 8th identity. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to, means expansion of this identity is x plus y plus z multiply x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, and in the question, if you can see clearly, in place of x, for this expression, in place of x we have 3x. Why? Because cube of 3 is 27. Okay, and cube of x is x cube. Okay, so in place of x we have 3x here, in place of y we have y itself, in place of z we have z itself, and in place of 3x yz we have 3 into 3x into y into z. Okay, and clearly after this you can write 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz is equals to, as 27x cube is cube of 3x whole cube, y plus y whole cube plus z whole cube minus 3 into 3 identity we have 3. Okay, 3xyz, so 3 into x is 3x into y into z, and using this identity we will find the factor of this given expression. See how? See, therefore 3x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into 3x into y into z can be written as x plus y plus z. So in place of x we have 3x, so 3x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square. So in place of x we have 3x, so 3x square plus y square plus z square minus xy, so xy, in place of x we have 3x, so 3x into y plus y into minus y into z minus z into x, so minus z into 3x. In place of x we have 3x. Okay, now see, this I have written this in place of 27x cube 3x whole cube I have written to just to make you understand. So this is what 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz is equals to 3x plus y plus z into square of 3x is 9x square plus y square plus z square, this terms as it is, minus 3xy minus yz minus 3yz. So these are the two factors. This one term and this one factor and this one separate factor are the factors of this given expression. Okay, understood? One more video I'll send you for this exercise dealing with question number 13, 14 and 15. Okay.